Ziana, welcome home. Hey, my laddu. सुबह के 2:30 बज रहे हैं and look at the energy level. What is this energy level? आ गया Ziana. Oh my God. Done. Well done. So I just came to Baba's club. This is called the Anderson Club, which is right next to my Baba's house. और बचपन से I've been coming here, me and my sister. So yeah, he's been a member of this club since decades. और आज हम लोग second time आए हैं यहाँ पे. We're going to a restaurant here for a nice dinner. So it's going to be nice. So yeah. Oh shit, it's fogged out. Completely fogged out. Yeah, much better. So, Baba's favorite club. I couldn't say no to him. Said, chalo, आके खाना खाते हैं. This is my first time to this restaurant. Baba, this is my first time to this restaurant.
Oh, Titu enjoyed. Titu came.
Oh, Titu came?
Yeah.
Oh, lovely.
Titu, Roman, सब आया था.
Oh, nice.
And they loved it.
चलो मेरा तो फर्स्ट टाइम है though I've come to the club number of times. Wow, check out the view guys. This is the view from the restaurant where we have just come. वहाँ पे pool है
बाबा का जो क्लब है मुझे इसलिए ज़्यादा पसंद
and it's quite nice. पानी बहुत ऊपर तक आया हुआ है because few days back कोलकाता rained a lot. And मैं आपको अभी pool दिखाता हूँ यहाँ से. This is a massive swimming pool that Baba comes here for swimming. तापुशी, good morning. आज तापुशी बना रही है मेरे लिए my favorite पुई शाक. इसका सब्जी बनेगा कद्दू के साथ.
মাছ এনে রেখে আছে
अच्छा फिश बन रहा है and
ডাল
दाल আছে
করলা ভাজা
करला भाजा. बस perfect. But this is what I was craving for. और ये मिलने वाला है आज और ये आज हम खाएंगे. Can't wait. बस और देख.
आ रहा हूँ मैं आ रहा हूँ.
What's up guys? We just came to the Quest Mall. Look at this beautiful piece. पता नहीं क्या है ये, but it's a beautiful. Oh, it's called the Shakti Chakra. So nice. This is inside Quest Mall, and it is so beautiful. So बस हम लोग आ गए मॉल में. We're going to go up to the lift. हाँ lift लेते हैं. We'll be going to the food court first. because यानू को लगी भूख. उसके बाद देखते हैं. We'll try and explore the mall a little bit. I love you. তাপসী আজকে কি বানাচ্ছ?
চিকেন কারি ডাল
হ্যাঁ.
সবজি পাঁচ মিশালি
আরে বাহ. চিকেন কারি আমার ফেভারিট হচ্ছেই. এটা কি? ও খালি চিকেন কোথায়?
ওই ওখানে
Let's check it out. Wow. और এটা of course आलू जावे चिकन है. Typical Bengali way of cooking. And today is the last day in Kolkata. मैं तो तापुशी को बोल रहा हूँ तापुशी आप आ जाओ मुंबई. वो सुनती ही नहीं है. तापुशी कानो आश्चो ना. तापुशी से मैं कोलकाता नहीं छोड़ूंगी. चलो मेरा पानी गर्म हो गया है. गरारे करेंगे. Your Highness, finally. Ego. So good to see you.
Posing as if you know nothing.
ज़ैनब प्रणाम करो बेटू. आ जाओ चलो.
वो आपने ढूंढ
अच्छा तो वो तुम्हें মনে আছে যখন তুমি গেছিলে দিল্লিতে দিল্লিতে বম্বেতে দিল্লি because in between Bozo had come to Bombay for about 2.5 years. It's a boy.
He was there.
But he misses you, Kaku. He wants to meet you. Bozo.
दोस्ती
अपनी मर्जी के मालिक भाग ले जाए दुनिया
क्या साला बाबा
इसके भाई अभी पकड़ो अभी पकड़ो अभी
Tapushi Banache chicken curry. This is Tapushi's favorite and my favorite chicken curry. Tapushi fish तो बनाते ही है बहुत अच्छा, but all Bengali dishes, she is just amazing. Wow. So we're off to Bombay, guys. We just took off. Very much on time. Like 2 घंटे पहले आ गए. Better to reach early than to reach late. As they say. Finally, we have landed. 2 hours 20 minutes, though faster because of the tailwind, and the flight was makhan and smooth because there was no turbulence, as literally no clouds. Monsoon has almost gone. And Ziana, welcome to Mumbai. Welcome. Ziana slept for a little bit in the plane. Zyada nahi, about half an hour. And yeah. It's great to be back in Bombay after 10 days. We had a great time in Kolkata. Baba will be missed, but Baba will be coming soon to Delhi, and can't wait for his arrival there. And then of course, big month November is coming, as my sister's birthday is coming on 19th. Her 50th birthday is going to be a very, very special one. Diana, welcome home. ए मैं लड्डू, सुबह के 2:30 बज रहे हैं एंड लुक एट द एनर्जी लेवल. ये तो दादू का भी फेवरेट चेयर है, आपका भी फेवरेट चेयर है ना जियाना? सो वी फाइनली बैक होम. और इनको देखो. इनको देखो. वो कौन है? आपको याद है जब आप दुबई गए थे फर्स्ट टाइम? आपको याद है? हे फुटकू. अभी एसी भी ठंडा करेगा जल्दी से जियाना. कौन है ये? चिल्ली से बताओ.
जल्दी से बताओ, जल्दी से बताओ.
What's up guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to Mumbai. कल की फ्लाइट बहुत ज़बरदस्त रही. Ziana, Charu have rested well. In fact, as I speak about them, they have gone to meet their friends. Ziana की एक best friend है यहाँ पे called Kaira या Kiara, one of the two. तो उससे मिलने गई है. Charu had some Charu's closet work. And Kolkata we had a great time. Durga Puja was amazing, and more importantly बाबा के साथ time spend करना during those beautiful days. आप लोगों को तो पता ही है Durga Puja is the biggest celebration for all the Bengalis out there. And Kolkata was amazing. It was a little chaotic, but that is how the city moves during Durga Puja. Lot of love, lot of light, lot of energy, and that's what I experienced. There have been times when we used to go to pandals जहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा भीड़ भड़क्का and गर्मी थी बहुत ज़्यादा. But the little one braved it out. And talking about Ziana, आप लोगों ने उसका reaction तो देख ही लिया था. Once she arrived last night in Mumbai, she was thrilled. She knows this house very well. In fact, every corner, every room, she knows it in and out. और Ziana was super duper happy, and of course यार काफ़ी late हो चुका था. So then we just kind of unpacked about 10%. सोते 4 बज गए थे, and then we had to get up on time in the morning next day. A lot of things were lined up, and yeah, so that is that. And of course, how time flew in Kolkata. It was 10 beautiful days. Doesn't just went like this, but I'm glad that we did it, and more importantly, we spent time with Baba. Baba was in fact looking forward to spend the maximum time with Ziana, and he did spend some quality time this time. And of course, अब Ziana का birthday आ रहा है, so Baba is going to Bikaner, so that is going to be a very very nice thing, because Baba's technically first official trip to Bikaner from the time I've known Charu. And so yeah, it's going to be nice, and we're going to bring in Ziana's 4th birthday in Bikaner. And of course, आज या कल मैं I'll be meeting my sister. She's eagerly waiting to meet Ziana. It's been long for her as well. So yeah, looking forward for that. And thank you so much guys for watching this vlog. अगर पसंद आया तो please give it a big thumbs up. Do share it and subscribe if you so wish to. बहुत जल्दी मिलते हैं एक नए vlog के साथ. तब तक अपना ध्यान रखिएगा. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद.